Answer. Express the following numbers in standard form. So standard form is what? I mean the number is what? 5 crore. How many zeros are there?
7.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Seven.
7. So how to
7.
convert that into standard form? Standard form is always after one digit. So it is already one digit. So there is no need to convert that into decimal. Understood? Now, zeros are there. So
Yes.
multiply by 10 raised to the power 7.
7.
સમજ પડી? કેટલા zeros છે અહીંયા?
Yes.
1, 2,
7.
3, 4, 5,
7.
6, 7. So 10 raised to the power 7. Got it? Same way. Second sum is what? 70 lakh. So 7 is the individual number. We have to separate it. પેલા નંબર કેટલા છે ને એ અલગ કરી નાખવાના. Got it? Multiply by how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10
6.
raised to the power 6.
6.
This is a standard form of the given number. So અહીંયા 5 into 10 raised to the power 7, 7 into 10 raised to the power 6. Got it? Now, main sum. Pay attention. એક વખત સમજશો એટલે આ બધું આવડી જશે. એક જ સમ સમજવાનો છે એટલે આગળના બધા સમ્સ બંને ક્વેશ્ચન્સ ના આવડી જશે. What is the number given here? 31865000000. Are you getting? સમજ પડે
Yes.
છે? 318 crore and 65 lakh. What is the number given here? 318 crore 65 lakh. Got it? So now what we have to do, our first step is to separate the numbers whatever we have it. We have 3, 1, 8, 6 and 5 other digits given here. Multiply. Then after how many numbers are given? Sorry, how many zeros are given?
5.
10 raised to the power 5. આપણો first step થયો. This is not our answer. Because in standard form, we have to have the decimal after one digit. કેટલા digit પછી decimal જોઈએ compulsory? One digit
1
પછી.
digit.
કા one digit નો number હોય ને multiply by 10 raised to whatever number હોય તો ચાલે. Are you getting? So can I keep your અહીંયા decimal હશે?
Yes.
31865 decimal હશે તો આ 10 raised to the power 5 આવ્યું. Are you getting? હવે આ decimal ને આપણે move કરી નાખીએ 1 step, 2 step, 3 step and 4 step. 3 ની પાછળ લેવું છે, 3 ની પાછળ તો 4 steps left hand side move કરવું પડશે કે નહીં?
Yes.
So 4 step કર્યું તો there should be 10 raised to the power 4 also. 4 steps એટલે 4 0 સાથે multiply કરો. Multiply 10 raised to power 5 is given only. સમજ પડી શું કર્યું સરે? Is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to 3.1865 as it is. Now what is the law of exponent? When base is same, then 10 as it is, power will be added to each other. That means 4 plus 5 will be 9. So 3.1865 into 10 raised to the power 9 is our answer. Any doubt, girls?
No, no doubt.
સમજાણું કે ના સમજાણું બચ્ચા પાર્ટી?
સમજાણું sir.
સમજાણું.
Only Aisa understood, or what about other girls? શું નામ છે તારું? સમજાણું? Who was that girl? એને એનું નામ નથી ખબર?
રાજા
મોદેસા ક્યાં છે? મોદેસા, સારા?
સારા નથી સર.
Okay. So next sum. Fourth sum, 3,90,878. So 3,90,878 878. હવે આનું સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર્મ કરવું હોય તો સર આમાં તો 0 છે જ નહીં. કેન યુ સી હિયર કે છેલ્લે 0 હોય તો આપણે 10 રેઝ ટુ સમથિંગ થાય. આર યુ ગેટિંગ? આમાં તો 0 છે જ નહીં તો સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર્મ કેમ થશે? સો કેન આઈ સે ધેટ
Yes.
the decimal point is over here after the whole number? So to convert that into standard form, we have to take a decimal after first digit. So rest of the digits are 90878 as it is. Multiply by આ decimal ને કેટલા step આગળ લઈ ગયા આપણે? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 10 raised to the power 5 is our answer. Anybody has any doubt with this?
Yes.
સમજાણું આયશા?
Yes, સમજાઈ ગયું સર.
આપણે શું કર્યું ખબર પડી બચ્ચા?
હા
3,90,878 ને 3.980878 બનાવી અને 10 raised to the power 5 આપી દીધો. So this is the standard form. Standard form as always one digit multiplied by the one digit and the multiplication of 10 of power and exponent. Understood? So all together is known as standard form. Now, this is interesting now. Look here. હવે શું આપેલું છે ઈ જો 39087.8 is given here. 39087.8 is given here. Understood? Are you getting?
yes.
So what we have to do is this decimal has to move towards, this is already given a decimal. So we have to place here
No.
decimal. From this point, we have to place 4-digit decimals. So 90878 as it is. Multiply
Yes.
by 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Five.
10 raised to the power
5.
5. Any doubt with this?
No. સર
Sure.
છે ને થઈ જાય.
Sure, girls?
Sure sir.
આમાં શું આવશે? આનું આ જ આન્સર આવશે પણ આનો શું થઈ જશે? 10 raised to the power 4. અહીંયા આ કેટલા ડિજિટ પહેલા જવું જોઈએ? 3 ડિજિટ પહેલા.
Yes.
Are you getting? So 10 raised to the power 3 થઈ જશે. Sorry. જો છે 3 ડિજિટ જવું પડે તો 10 raised to the power 3.
Yes.
Any doubt with this? અહીંયા 10 raised to the power 4 આવશે કેમ કે 4 ડિજિટ જ ગયા ને 1 2 3 4 આપણે 8 એ ગણી લીધો 1 2 3 4 4 digit you have to take. Got it, girls?
Yes.
So we are in question number 4. Chalo. Read kar Aisha.
Question number 4. Express the number appearing in the following statement in standard form. Number A. The distance between Earth and Moon is 3
384,000,000 meter. Understood? The distance between Earth and Moon. The distance between Earth and Moon is, how can we speak this? 38 crore 40 lakhs. Understood? 38 crore 40 lakhs meter. So we have to convert all the statement into standard form. So can I keep my first statement as A is equal to 384 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6?
Yes.
Now can I keep this to convert this into standard form, 3.84 multiply 10 raised to the power 2 multiply 10 raised to the power 6. So is equal to 3.84
into 10 raised to 8.
understood? And પાછળ મીટર છે તો અહીંયા મીટર લગાડતા નહીં ભૂલવાનું. Let us check. 3.84 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 8 meter. Got it?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay. Second question. Please read, Aisha.
Speed of light in vector is 3 meter 0.00000. 80 is that.
Okay. So we already have one single digit. Yes or no? So can I keep this answer 3 into 10 raised to the power how many zeros?
8.
Milliseconds. Understood? So check the answer. 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 milliseconds. Got it? Any doubt with this?
No.
Okay. Chalo.
Diameter of Earth is 1,27,500.
Diameter of the earth is
1,27,5,600.
56,000. કેમ આમ વાંચે બેટા? 1,27,56,000 meter. So can I say that first I want to take a number at a side 2756. 12756 into 10 raised to the power 3. 30 છે એટલે. This is the first step. Second step is 1.2756 multiply 10 raised to the power 4 multiply 10 raised to the power 3. Got it? 1.2756 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 7 is our answer. 1.2756 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 7 is our answer. Any doubt with this?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Diameter of Sun is 1,400,000,080 meter.
So હવે શું આવશે બેટા? તમને આવડવું જ જોવે. 8 zeros are already given and 2 digit are given. So 1.4 કરવું હોય તો multiply by 10 raised to the power કેટલું થઈ જાય?
8.
8 થોડું થાય.
8 in half.
હે?
9 8 decimal નો 1 digit આગળ કરીએ ને એટલે 9.
9 થશે ને દીકરા?
હા.
Okay. So let us check. This was the answer correct? Okay. 1.4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 9. આવી ગયું? Now, some number E.
In a galaxy, there are on an average 1,000,000,000.
Very easy. What will be the answer in the standard form? One
into
1
into
1 multiplied by 10 into
1 into 10 raised to 11.
10 raised to 11 stars. Very good. 1 multiplied by 10 raised to how many zeros are there? 11. And what is the content here? Stars. So stars lakhwanu. 1 into 10 raised to the power 11 stars. Got it?
Yes.
Chalo, read karo. Next question number F.
The universe is estimated to be about 12 crore years old.
12,000,000,000,000 years old. So what should be the answer? Whatever it may be. આ કેટલા zeros થયા? 12 છે, 12 કે 9 છે? 9 zeros are there.
Nine.
Yes.
9.
And 12 we cannot keep. We have to convert this standard form. So it will be 1.2
10 raised to 10.
10 raised to the power 10.
10.
સમજાણું કે નહીં?
हाँ सर થઈ જાય છે.
1.2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 10 years. Got it? Chalo, sum number G.
The distance of the sun from the center of a Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be 300,000,000,000,000 meter.
Yes. So the distance of the
20
sun
zero.
from the distance of the sun from the center of a Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be 300,000,000,000,000,000 meter. So now calculate it.
20 zero.
So 3 into
20.
10 raised to 20 is the answer. બરાબર છે? Anybody has any doubt with this?
No.
No
Okay.
doubt.
તો થઈ જાય છે.
Now 6023 60230, then 3030303030, then what should be the sign? Sorry? How many zeros are there? 3, 6, 8, 9, 12, 15, 18, and over here 1 0 here. So 6, 0, 2, 3 multiply by 10 raised to 19 આવે કે ના આવે?
આવે.
તો 6 point standard form માં તો 6 પછી decimal હશે. So can I say 10 raised to 22? 6.023 multiplied by 10 raised to 22. Yes or no?
Yes.
આમાં જો કન્ફ્યુઝન કરવા માટે શું લખેલું છે ખબર છે? અહીંયા 1.8 gram weighing ને એવું બધું લખેલું છે. We don't care about the rest of the things. We have to convert this number into standard form. So we have converted this. Okay?
Yes.
Now the earth has 1353,000,000,000 cubic kilometers sea water. Who will give me the answer for this?
1.353 into 10 raised to 9.
Very good, girl. ચલો પેલા તો 6 zeros છે જ તે. તો ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ તો આપણે સ્ટેપ વાઇઝ જવાનું. આ સ્ટેપ કર્યો ને એવી રીતે સ્ટેપ લખવાનો. Then you
Okay.
convert that into decimal 1.353. So other 3 digit houses zeros. So 10 raised to the power 9. So let us check. 1.353 10 raised to the power 9 cubic kilometer. Got it? Now
Yes.
the last question of this. The population of India was about 1027,000,000,000 in March 2001. So
1.027 into 10 raised to 9.
very good. Who was that girl? Mohdesa ke Aisha?
Aisha.
Aisha, you are absolutely correct. 1.027 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 9. So do you all have any doubt? Any girl has any doubt with this question? What we
No.
studied?
No.
So with the help of this question, we completed our chapter number 13. Is that clear? And we have completed
Yes.
our portion of semester 1. Girls, is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, from Monday onwards, we are going to revise one chapter for the day. So make sure of it. All 7 chapters are included equally for semester 1 in mathematics, especially in mathematics. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Whatever doubt you have, gather it, and that will be solved on that lecture when we are revising that chapter. Understood?
Yes.
If you do have any doubt, please ask me whenever I ask you to ask the question when we are doing the revision portion. All right?
Yes.
Chalo, be ready with your fair books. Complete all the sums one time in your rough book and your fair book as well. Do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well. Do not go out without any reason.
Sir, it's
Okay?
not over.
Okay, girls?
Okay.
Sir, lecture is not over.
Okay,
10
so
minutes
yeah,
left.
now if we have, yeah, still we have 5 7 minutes more. If you do have any doubt about this chapter especially, you can ask me. I can solve that doubt for you all. Yeah, exercise 13.1, 2, and 3. Out of these 3 exercise, if you face any difficulty about any of the exercise, please ask me so that I can solve it for
Yes,
you.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bolo?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm sorry.